Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. I tell a lot of mobile mechanics just because you can crank wrenches, it doesn't mean anything, actually. If you don't know the business aspect of the mobile mechanic side, you're going to fail. You're going to be finding yourself in court. You could be sued. You're going to be getting chargebacks. You have to know all how to handle all this stuff. I do one-on-one consultation because I have over 30-something years of experience. I have the military, civilian sector, and the mobile mechanic sector. And I sit down with advanced or beginners or somebody who's thinking about becoming a mobile mechanic. I'm going to be teaching you the business aspect of it, websites, the SEOs. You gotta know that, especially with Google. You can't pay to be number one on Google. You gotta have where I'm going to get the uniforms from, uh, my business cards, what kind of vehicle, what signs work the best, how do I handle this customer, weather, tools, documents, one-on-one consultations. You're going to get 9 separate documents. That's really going to cover majority of your business needs and questions. And all of my scenarios I've ever been through with my customers, these documents, most of them, that's where they come from. And my knowledge I poured in there for 30 years. I sit down and I talk to you. I answer your questions the best of my ability. I let you know what you need to be looking forward to, what you need to prepare for, what you need to actually physically do, relative how much to charge, the software, the credit cards, financing, all this stuff, because I want you to be completely different than the rest of those mobile mechanics out there. You don't want to do it as a hobby. You don't want to, where the financing, where you're going to get the money to start this business at. You don't want to just be doing it as a hobby, work on people's cars. You want to be doing it full time. How did I get to it as a full-time career? How can you get to a full-time career based upon where you're at? The things that I have actually been through. You just got to know all. It's very confusing. It's a lot of information. How to register your business correctly, how to have people to take you seriously, how to change your mind frame to a business mind frame, parts, all this stuff. How are you going to handle this stuff? Policies, AC cheat sheets, pre-purchase used car inspections, all the waiver liability. All this stuff you'll get for free, and then you can change it on Microsoft Word, and you can edit it yourself and make it business to your own business. You can help your customers understand what's going on, why they're paying for what they're paying for. And yes, you can work on cars, but you need to understand and be able to answer these questions for these customers. And that's why I'm going to walk you through it. Depends on what level you are on and where you're at in your business. How you're advertising. A lot of people advertising, their business is going nowhere. But you've got to be different. Even as a customer yourself, why would I buy that from you? That's the question you're probably going to be asking. Are you giving me quality work? Are you warranting your work? You don't want to be the cheapest man on the totem pole. You don't want to be the most expensive. You want to be in the middle. Your business, you have to understand, is convenience. You're the person you're the Grubhub person. You're bringing the food to the person who doesn't want to get out of their house, or they're at work and they don't want to miss work, whatever. You're bringing that convenience to them. You've got to understand what to say to the customers, how to just to be talking to the customers, and what to do if customers you just can't do anything with. Your Google reviews. There's many, many things that I will go completely in depth with. What is a state corporation? A catchy name. Where can you buy tools on a shoestring budget? I have all that stuff inside my website. All the documents, all the stuff inside of a store for you. I'm pretty much walking you, holding your hand. What is the hot thing right now, which is 2026 in June? So it's going to be the AC season. Pre-inspections are very hot right now. I have all those documents to walk you through it, answering your questions. I'm taking time just with you, one-on-one. Now, a lot of people are not going to do that with you. They're going to just hold information, and I want you to get from beer money to champagne money. If you even exceed me, I'm okay with that. I've been doing this a long time. I want to transfer my knowledge to you. And that's just the way it is. So, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, spread the word, and I will make sure that I will do everything in my power to help you, help yourself, to help the customers, and help your pockets. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that subscribe button. And remember, you are